Hello bachcho, the question is female gametophyte of angiosperms is represented by. So angiosperms are the flowering plants, and here the female gametophyte. It means gametophyte is the structure or the part of plant body that produces gamete. So here the gametes are produced by or produced in the embryo sac. So embryo sac is also known as the female gametophyte. So the right option of this question is option C, which is the embryo sac. Now all these other structures are parts of an ovule. So let's see them one by one. So this is the stalk of ovule, which is called the funicle or the funiculus. Here are the integuments. These are the integuments or covering of ovules. Generally the ovule is bitegmic, it means it is having two integuments, and where the integuments are absent, it is called the micropyle end, where the other end is known as the chaliza, from where the integuments arise. And the structure or tissue that is present here, this is the parenchymatous tissue, and this tissue is known as nucellus, and each cell of nucellus is diploid. Now towards the micropylar end, one cell of nucellus becomes enlarged and it gets differentiated as megaspore mother cell. So megaspore mother cell is diploid cell, it is the spore mother cell. So it undergoes meiosis, and after meiosis it produces 4 haploid cells, and these haploid cells are known as the megaspores. Now out of these 4 megaspores, if we draw them like, so suppose these are the 4 megaspores. So out of these 4, the 3 towards the micropylar end gets degenerated, while the 1 remains functional. So this is the functional megaspore. Now this functional megaspores, after a number of divisions where the 3 nuclear divisions are there, it forms a structure with 7 cells and 8 nuclei. So these 7 cells are like this: 3 cells towards the micropylar end, 3 cells towards the chalizal end, and 1 cell in the center bearing 2 nuclei. So this entire structure here is the female gametophyte or the embryo sac. And this embryo sac is having 7 cells, out of which this cell is the female gamete or the egg cell. So as we can see that embryo sac is having the egg cell, or it is forming the egg cell, so it is known as the embryo sac or the female gametophyte. So the right answer is option C. I hope this is clear. All the best.